Here's Rick with his 48 panhead, getting ready to start it up, go on a ride around town. And I'm gonna go with him. This is White Lightning. He's got Blue Thunder over there. That's another Harley there. But White Lightning is 48 panhead. So I'm gonna follow him around town if he can start it. Sometimes it's hard to start. Might be too hot. Oh, it kicked a little bit. If it's cold, he can start it pretty easily, but it's probably, well, there you go, 58 degrees. There he goes. We got it started. Getting ready now. I'm going to drive it around town. This is April 19th, 2019, 4/19/19. It's about 11:30 in the morning on Good Friday. It's a good Friday for Rick. He got his motorcycle to start.